Showcase Beautiful in Pelham's Ballantree. Colleen and David Black, Keller Williams Realty, 356-5412. Call on Colleen.
This is the afternoon edition of the Weather Xtreme video. This is for Wednesday, the 16th day of September. James Spann here. New day, old forecast. Tropical air, ocean of humidity, and occasional showers and storms are going to stay in the forecast for quite a while. Now let's go to some of the Skycam shots around the network. First off, down in Chilton County. Big buzz down there late this morning. There's the Skycam as of early this afternoon. Things are quiet now, but this stirred up a fuss. That image taken by the Clanton Fire Chief a little after 11 o'clock this morning. You can see a small tornado that is evident there that was north of Clanton, and that did not produce any really significant damage, just a few limbs down and little sheet metal blown around, but it stirred up a big fuss. There was no warning on that, and with these small spin-ups with tropical rain bands like this, it's almost impossible to provide a warning for something like that, and that could happen again and again. But that, again, stirred up quite a fuss this morning, but that can happen in this kind of setup with a tropical low nearby. Here's a Gadsden Skycam. What a downpour there. Big-time rain falling over parts of the city. And up in Huntsville, a classic tropical sky. It's deep blue when you see the blue, but often it's dark and the rain just pours down when the showers come. And again, the synoptic pattern just not changing much. The upper level low is located near Paris, Texas. And there's a surface low down beneath that, and we stay in the warm sector. And just streams of moisture rolling in from the Gulf, producing these showers and storms. A little more numerous on the eastern side of the state. This is the radar at 125. You can see that big downpour sitting over Etowah County. Other strong storms about. And there could be a few isolated warnings or flash flood problems, but widespread severe weather, widespread flooding not expected. Just very showery weather, wet at times for a while. The guys at SPC put out a mesoscale discussion late this morning indicating that chance of an isolated tornado through early evening, roughly from Birmingham south. But again, we don't expect any super serious issues, and no watch will be issued. And there's the low-end tornado probabilities in the day one convective outlook. Rain for the next 5 days. Goodness gracious. Now this is on top of everything else we've had. This is valid through Monday morning at 7 o'clock, and this is suggesting rains of 3 to 4 inches for much of North Alabama. This is a big rain event that's going to be a long-lasting deal. The rain is not continuous, but if you add up all of these downpours we get, what we've had, what we're going to have in the next 5 days, this will be a whopper of a rain event. In the tropics, things are quiet. This is the 5th anniversary of Ivan. Came ashore at Gulf Shores 5 years ago. All we've got today, a couple of non-organized areas in the central and eastern Atlantic. So let's look at modeling. This is the 12Z GFS, valid at 1 o'clock tomorrow. Upper level low going nowhere, sitting around Shreveport. Down below that, surface low, broad, same place. And the same deal, scattered to numerous showers and storms. When the rains come, the rain can be heavy with the tropical downpours. Tomorrow, or Friday, same deal. Very moist air. Showers and thunderstorms likely. Nope, not going to rain all day, but it could rain at any time during the day. You'll need the rain gear for high school football games. Saturday, you'll need the rain gear for the college games around here. Same deal, upper low or surface low off to the west. And showers and thunderstorms are likely as we kick off the weekend. And Sunday, the weather's just not changing. You can see every day we'll highlight a good chance of showers and storms. And Monday of next week, same deal. Need something to sweep that out. And by golly, we might just get that next week. Look at Tuesday. Long wave trough carving out over the east. A whopper of a ridge out west. Look at that big 594 circle out there. And within the base of the trough, a very strong vortex showing up there just northwest of Memphis. And if that's right, that could be a severe weather day on Tuesday. And understand, it's 5-6 days out there. We don't know if that's going to work out that way yet, but it's something to be watched. And then Wednesday, that bowling ball is right over Birmingham. And the trough is not really phased up this time. Instead of the full phasing from the north, this time that thing is kind of cut off, and that would suggest that by golly, Wednesday, the cold air aloft with that could mean a few showers. Right now we've got the sky becoming sunny, less humid, all that. Well, all of a sudden this run says hold off on that. And if this is right, we'll have to hang on to a chance of showers on through Wednesday. And then Thursday, the whole thing begins to depart, but the really cool air stays north of us. So this run is not as cool and not as dry. for the middle of next week. But this is just one run. The other models have been very consistent in the idea of cooler, drier air Wednesday, Thursday of next week. We'll stick with the idea for now. Into the forecast, October 2nd. Well, forget cool air with that. The polar jet is over Canada. Nice trough over the northeast, but down here, that's just flat ridging, and that looks pretty warm there for early October. So we'll see. Again, that's a long way out there. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video today. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. And, of course, if you're local to us, we invite you to watch us on television this evening. ABC 3340 News at 5, 6, and 10. Again, thanks for watching. Have a wonderful evening, and God bless.